Hey guys, let's look at example 3 here. We got 10 plus a quantity of 4 plus 2 divided by 3. We're still PEMDASing. When I'm learning something new in math, I always like to write it down, because the more you write stuff down, the more that you remember it. It just connects it to your brain. So we always start with what's inside the parentheses. What's inside the parentheses here is the sum of 4 and 2. 4 plus 2 is 6. So now we have 10 plus 6 divided by 3. So we're done with the parentheses. There's no exponents. Multiplication and division, they're on the same level. There's nothing to multiply, but there is something to divide, which is 6 and 3. 6 divided by 3 is 2. 10 plus 2 is 12. So our answer here is 12. A common mistake is people would do 10 plus 6 to get 16. 16 divided by 3 is the wrong answer. So don't do that. Just always follow PEMDAS, and you'll always get the right answer. If you have any questions, just drop it in the comments.